Thanks for joining us for CBN News Today. I'm Charlene Aaron.
And I'm Ephraim Graham. Today is the deadline to sign up for insurance under the president's health care overhaul, at least in theory. The White House estimates more than 6 million people have signed up, and to boost that number, it's extending the deadline for people who are at least starting the process before midnight. The latest move is one of many reasons some Republicans are asking if the plan is just one big joke. With a somewhat flexible deadline, the White House predicts it will reach its original goal of 7 million Americans enrolling for health insurance under Obamacare by the end of the day.
2 months ago, if you'd asked me, I'd have said there's no chance because the rollout was so bungled.
That bungled rollout and now the last-minute push for younger people to sign up are routine fodder for late-night comedians.
All right, so what we're going to do is you're going to hold this healthcare.gov sign, and we'll give you Pharrell's hat, all right, and an e-cigarette to vape on, all right? BuzzFeed is going to eat this up.
Younger people, not surprisingly, are the last people to sign up. I suspect that's who's signing up today and tomorrow.
Prior enrollment reports have shown the vast majority are 35 and older, with more women than men. And that could lead to higher premiums next year, making the program an even harder sell for young people. It's also not known how many of those who've gotten coverage were previously uninsured. On top of that, the public remains deeply divided, with opponents of the law outnumbering supporters. And there are still many more questions for those who lost their insurance under the Affordable Care Act because it was deemed substandard.
I think they're cooking the books on this. People want to know the answers to that. They also want to know is, once all this is said and done, what kind of insurance will those people actually have? Will they be able to keep the doctor that they want? How much more is it going to cost them?
Now, the next enrollment period begins on November 15th, and already it doesn't appear that insurance plans, prices, and rules will be the same.